Welcome back. Today we will be discussing an interesting article on the accuracy of digital implant impressions in clinical studies.
The article discusses that digital implant impressions have become more common in recent years and the way they compare to the traditional impression methods.
That's right. The article highlights the advantages of digital impressions such as increased accuracy and reduced patient discomfort.
But like any other technology, there are still some limitations to digital impressions that need to be addressed.
The authors of the article reviewed several clinical studies to determine the accuracy of digital implant impression compared to traditional methods.
They found that the digital impressions were more accurate in most cases, but there were some instances where the traditional impressions were still necessary.
So, what does this mean for dentists and patients?
Let's face it, even though the digital impressions are the cool new kid, dentists still need to play nicely with the old school methods when the situation calls for it. Think of it like a dental do with the digital impressions as the flashy superhero.
You're on fire!
And the traditional methods as the trusty sidekick. Together, they are a dynamic duo that can conquer any dental challenge.
Well, this was the abstract of the article. Now let's check the introduction and details. The article, in fact, is a systematic review that analyzed 13 clinical studies on the accuracy of digital implant impressions. The studies included totally 496 implants and 135 patients.
The review found that the digital impressions were more accurate than the traditional methods in the term of the implant's position, angle, and depth.
However, there were some limitations to the studies. For example, some studies did not use a standardized protocol which could have influenced the results.
Another limitation was that the studies used different types of scanners and software to capture the digital impressions, and they also varied in the number of the implants and patients included, which could also affect the accuracy of the digital impressions.
Despite these limitations, the authors concluded that the digital impressions are a reliable and accurate method for implant placement.
Say goodbye to the long and uncomfortable dental appointment. Digital impressions not only provide accurate results, but also offer the perk of a faster and more comfortable experience for the patients. No more sitting in the dental chair for hours and feeling like your jaw is about to lock up from holding a tray of goop in your mouth. With digital impressions, patients can sit back, relax, and let the technology do the work while enjoying a more efficient and comfortable visit. It's a win-win situation.
Digital impressions are not just a one-trick pony for basic dental procedures. Oh no. They can also be used in the world of orthodontics. Who knew that digital impression were the Swiss Army knife of dentistry?
That's right. Digital impression can be used to create accurate model of the patient's teeth and gums, which can be used to design and create clear aligners.
Say cheese. Thanks to digital impressions, you can avoid the awkward experience of traditional dental impressions. No more feeling like you're drawing in the sea of putty.
Open wide. All right, now bite down. And, oh, okay. Breathe through your nose. Just breathe through your nose.
And as technology continues to improve, we can expect digital impressions to become even more widespread in the dentistry.
However, it's important to note that digital impressions are not a replacement for traditional methods in all cases. For example, in cases where there are a large number of restorations or multiple implants, traditional impressions may be still required. The article also discusses the use of CAD/CAM technology in digital impressions. And for those who don't know, CAD/CAM stands for Computer-Aided Design and Computer-Aided Manufacturing.
CAD/CAM technology allows the dentist to create highly accurate digital models of the patient's oral cavity, which can be used to create restorations such as crown, bridges, and implants.
And with the use of CAD/CAM technology, restorations can be created and placed in a single visit, so reducing the need for multiple appointments.
Watch out, folks! Just like any other high-tech gadget, digital impressions come with their own set of instructions and require some serious training to use properly. The article points out that dentists and staff should be equipped with the knowledge and know how to use these fancy-schmancy digital impressions. After all, we wouldn't want any dental misshape or technological malfunctions, would we?
Of course no. While digital impressions may be the bee's knees in the world of dentistry, there is a chance they might come with some extra cost for dental practices. Just like how upgrading to the latest and greatest smartphone may require shelling out some extra cash, implementing digital impressions may require some additional investments. But hey, when it comes to providing top-notch dental care, investing in technology can be a small price to pay for big benefit. So, let's break open those piggy banks and embrace the digital impression revolution.
Overall, the article provides a great overview of the benefits and limitations of the digital impressions in implant dentistry. And it is important for the dentist to stay informed about the new technologies and techniques in dentistry, so they can provide the best care for their patients.
Sure. By talking about articles like this one, we hope to shed some light on the world of the dental care and help both dentists and patients make wise choices. After all, informed decisions lead to happiness and a healthy smile. So, let's grab our dental floss, put on our thinking caps, and dive into the wonderful world of the dental care. Together, we can all be the champions of oral health and bring some pearly whites into the world.
Well, that's it, friends. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new.
Sure, and don't forget to join the Purple Biopsy family and never miss a moment. Goodbye.